So we are here in Mexico hanging out. Say hello, baby. We're having some food on Wednesday night, April, what is it? 15th? April 15th, 2020. We got a little barbecue going on in the back. I made a little fire. Check out that little fire. Normally I make big fires back home in the USA. In my backyard, I make huge bonfires, like the size of New York City. But anyway, we just made a little fire here tonight. We're having a little food. Check out what we made. Excelente. Little chicken and eggs, and I don't know what else is in it. And then we're just enjoying some peacetime. We don't really have a lot of problems here. The coronavirus is not bad here. So we're hanging out in the Caribbean, having a little fun. But listen, stay tuned. I want you to listen to me real quick, because in a quick 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to show you, excuse me, no coronavirus, I'm just coughing. Hold on, my two-step system. Two-step system. Sorry. On how I generate, I would say anywhere between 300, right now during the coronavirus, Wednesday, let me timestamp this, Wednesday, April 15th, I am making every day through my PayPal, my Stripe account, my bank accounts, my credit cards, my debit cards, Western Union, MoneyGram, Remitly, Exum, TransferWise. I do business in 26 English-speaking countries worldwide. People are sending me money every day to teach them how to do one, one thing. Check out that fire. Is that awesome or what? Right in our back patio. And that one thing is how to make money from home. And I know exactly how to do it. You know why? Because I've been doing it since 1998. 1998, making money online. Stay tuned, keep watching, and I will show you my simple two-step system. Simple two-step system, 1, 2. You can pull in money every day from people. They will send you money. Trust me, please believe me. I will show you how to do it. Just copy my system. Here we go. You ready?